Flydigi focus on giving you real control and customization in ways most mainstream pads don't. Their hardware feels solid. The grips and buttons are comfortable for long sessions, and the ability to tune stick tension, remap buttons, and fine-tune responsiveness shows Flydigi cares about their customers. That approach is exactly what led to the Flydigi Vader 5 Pro. In the box, you get the controller itself, a USB-C cable for wired play and charging, the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, and the quick start guide. The Flydigi Vader 5 Pro dock is not included in the standard package. The Flydigi Vader 5 Pro controller still uses Hall effect sticks. Even though some brands are moving in different directions, what matters here is tuning. Compared to the Flydigi Vader 4 Pro, the stick tension system is clearly improved. The rings stay in place and the mechanism feels more stable overall. It still doesn't go as far as the Apex 5, but it's a clear step forward from older models like the Flydigi Vader 3 Pro. With the Vader 5 Pro, wired and dongle modes feel instant. For shooters, that low latency makes a bigger difference than people realize. In terms of comfort, the controller hits a good balance. It's lighter than the Apex 5 but feels more solid than earlier Vader models. The grip texture works well and doesn't get slippery. The shape is slightly slimmer than the Vader 4 Pro, which may not suit everyone, but during longer sessions it stays comfortable. The D-pad is one of the strongest parts of the Flydigi Vader 5 Pro. It's sharp, consistent, and avoids accidental inputs. Face buttons respond quickly, though they feel a bit softer than what you get on the Flydigi Apex 5 or even the Vader 4 Pro. Triggers continue to be a strong point. You get smooth analog triggers for racing games, and with physical switches, they turn into clicky triggers for shooters. They're louder than before, but the response is quicker. Extra buttons are handled well. The back buttons feel solid, and the additional C and Z buttons are easy to reach without changing your grip. Once mapped, they're genuinely useful rather than gimmicks. Software support is another reason these controllers stand out. Flydigi Space Station lets you adjust stick curves, polling rate, trigger vibration, and RGB lighting. Everything saves directly to the controller, whether you're using it wired or wireless. When people ask how this compares to console controllers like DualSense or Xbox controller, the biggest difference is freedom. You get more buttons, more tuning, and faster response, especially on PC. Console controllers still have their strengths, but they don't offer this level of control without mods or software workarounds. The Vader 5 Pro isn't trying to be the absolute best FPS controller ever made. The Flydigi Apex 5 is for that. It wins in raw stick performance, but is heavier and more expensive. Compared to the Flydigi Vader 4 Pro, the choice is much easier. The Vader 5 Pro improves latency, stick tension, and overall feel. The Vader 4 Pro still works as a cheaper option, but once you spend time with the Vader 5, it's hard to go back. So if you're looking for a balanced controller that works across genres and actually feels modern, Flydigi Vader 5 Pro comes down to this. It's flexible and feels more complete. Not perfect, but easily the most well-rounded controller Flydigi has made so far.